Overindulge during the weekend? Don't worry, one high-calorie day won't derail your progress. Here are 5 expert-backed strategies to help you recover swiftly and stay on track with your weight loss journey. First, hydrate. Drinking plenty of water helps flush out excess sodium and reduces bloating. Aim for at least 2-3 liters throughout the day. Next, focus on fiber-rich foods. Incorporate vegetables, fruits, and whole grains into your meals to aid digestion and keep you feeling full. Don't skip meals. Returning to your regular calorie intake helps maintain your metabolism and prevents overeating later. Stick to your usual exercise routine. Regular strength training and walking 8 to 12K steps daily can help burn calories and maintain muscle mass. Finally, practice self-care. Avoid guilt and stay positive. Remember, consistency is key. Bureau Report, NewsX World.